Hello, boys and girls. It's nice to see you here today. The reason I called you here is because I want you to brush your teeth the right way. So, if you will go and get your toothbrushes and come back here and I will teach you how to brush your teeth. Okay? So you go and you go get them toothbrushes. Now. That's right. And I will wait right here. Okay, so now that you've gotten your toothbrushes, this is what you're going to do. You're going to take that toothbrush. You're going to put it up to your teeth. That's right. And you're going to brush your teeth something like this. You're going to brush up and down. Are you getting this? This is the way you're going to brush your teeth. You're going to go up and down. That's right. So brush your teeth. Also, you're going to go to the right and to the left. Okay, so let's do it. That's it. I think you're doing a good job. Good job. Now what you need to do is you just got to keep doing this every day. And you will have some really, really, really nice, good looking teeth. That's right. Because it worked for me. It will work for you. Good. Good. Now, you go and have a good day. And remember, brush your teeth. And you will be a beautiful child. Okay. Bye-bye.